Hey people, my name is Gerben and I've been a collector of vintage computers for a very long time. It's all great to see you all again in this new year. Let's hope that it's a lot better than the last one. I'm feeling a lot better than the last time. Thank you so much for all your wishes and concerns. And behind me there's also some changes. Over here the shuttle computers got a lot of brothers and sisters. I think I have around 8 now, and 7 of those can make the vintage discs that I sell, and they work very well. And over here we have a new addition. This is 8-core computer with 4 gigahertz I think and 32 gigabyte of memory. It's really a lot for me. It's still considered an old computer, but I use it now to make these videos. I used to use OpenShot, and now I'm learning to use DaVinci Resolve. I'm not sure.
We are Venom.
But anyway, we will see if it's working or not. Last time we looked at the winners of the giveaway, and those winners, I didn't hear from them. So maybe I have to make some extra effort to reach them. But please contact me, because you're winning something and I need to ship it out. I think I talked enough, and let's get busy to unpacking. Next computer is something that we saw a few episodes before this one. It's the bigger, nicer brother of one of my the first computer I ever had. This is a more professional version, but it's basically just the same computer. So let's have a look. Comes in a nice big box, and this is I think I will be very happy with this, because it's in its original box, and if they make a big nice over box around the original box, we have the most chance that it's still whole and it's still nice. Let's have a look. Look at this COMX-PC1 in the box. This is always very special to me, because this the COMX-35 of course was my first computer and my first love, and it's really fine to have one again. Of course I have these in my own collection, and this is for sale, but still it's nice to hold. And here we have a little closer look of the box. It looks very nice. It all says what it can do. 32 kilobytes of RAM. Oh, that's really a lot. A long time ago. Very cool. Let's have a look what's inside, because I think we're all curious. The more complete, the better I can sell it, of course. But are you ready? Yes. Oh, look at this. It's bigger. It's more professional than the original COMX-35. but it's exactly the same computer, so there's not really an advantage. Some of the COMX don't have the monitor connector and some do have, and it's exactly the same. It's got a little bit of yellowing over here, and it will do the same doing 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 if you turn it on. There was also an expansion slot on the side. On my original COMX-35 I was very young and naive, and I was thinking, what happens if I put a paperclip in here? And I put it in our COMX-35 in 1983. And the first time there was a lots of nice colors on the screen and some sounds. I thought it was very funny. So I tried it again. More colors, more sounds. And I tried it a third time. And the machine was broken. I broke the machine, and it had to go back to the people, the shop that we bought it from, and say, well, I have no idea what's happened, but why is this machine broken all of a sudden? So they sent it away, and it got fixed, and we got it again, and I never ever tried to put a paperclip in here again. And I won't today, of course. Anyway, TV lead and data cable. Okay, no power supply, but that's not really a problem. Let's hook this baby up. So, let's see if it can turn on. Boing, boing, boing. Yes, it works. Well, at least it turns on. If it really works, we'll have to see. Look at that. The nice COMX startup screen. It fluctuates in colors, as you can see. And we have a nice basic prompt. Helpo? No. Helpo. Error coded 21. I've seen this many times, because I told you the last time that it came with 200 games or 200 programs, but they were all listings. You have to type them by hand. It was a really big horror. Anyway, this looks very cool and very nice. That's not an error, that's actually correct. I think I'm really happy, also because it really works fine and it's nice to sell. Very cool. Okay, next item is another MSX once again, because MSX has always been one of the best sellers for me. I started selling like 16 years ago, almost 17 years ago, and MSX was from the first start off a very good seller for me, because the Netherlands was a very big MSX country, maybe it is still. And there was a lot of Philips MSX computers, and I sold a lot of them. First a lot to Spain, and later also other countries, including Italy. And the next computer is MSX, and it is the one that is the best seller and it's the most sought after. Even more than the top model of the Philips. This is another model. And I've talked enough, and let's have a look what we got. It came in a nice big box, and it looks like the seller did a good job, but let's have a look. Nice packing, thank you. You see a little cartridge already. I will show you. Box in a box, there's nothing better than that. I'm really happy. MSX2, the Philips NMS 8245. This is the one everybody wants. It has a little discoloring over here, but it still will be worth, I think, a lot of money. And here we have a closer look. It's not the nicest machine we ever saw, because somebody has been with their hands over here and the paint just faded away. And I saw that the zero is a little bit loose. It's working, I think, but anyway. And it came with this nice cartridge from Nemesis. I think I have this already, but I like to keep it because cartridges for the MSX are rare and I like to collect them. So, are we ready to test it? Let's have a look. Very nice. It's working, but I think most likely the disk drive is broken, or the snare of the disk drive, I have to say. First we'll try it with the nice cartridge. And now we'll have a look at the disk drive. The sound ain't right. Yes. I have new belts for these disk drives, so I can fix it, but it will be a lot of work, or maybe a little bit work. But I'm very happy with this so far, and somebody will be very happy with this machine, I think. Next up is another vintage laptop. It's been a while that I bought this, and it's been in the box for a long time now. And I'm not really sure anymore, but it's really inside and what this machine can do. There's only one solution, of course. We have to unpack it. So let's do that. Here is the box. The seller wrote on it breekbaar. That means fragile. I hope this was helpful. And let's have a look. Power supply with a big red LED on it, like it's 1983 all over again. And here we have the big hefty laptop. Let's see. Oh, okay, this is nice. This was one with the portable keyboards, and it looks cool. It's a Super Lab 386XX, and it's called a twin head. If you don't have enough for one head, then you have to need a twin head. 3.5-inch floppy drive. Looks nice. Let's have a look. And here we have a closer look of the machine and our lovely assistant of the day, Pillow the cat. Pillow turned 3 years old today, and this is very nice. Hello. Can you say hello? It turns out it is a very nice machine. All beige. Superlab 386 SX. This is the battery. There's a loose keyboard. I gave it a little cleaning, of course, and it all folds up like one package. It never works if you want to show it, of course. And it goes, and it is twin head. Some ports, of course. This must be for some docking thingy. 3.5-inch disk drive. Power and power. And let's have a try. A lovely big red LED. And let's try this puppy out. Oh, beeping. What do you want? Can we adjust the screen? I removed the battery because maybe that's the problem. Okay. Beep beep. Let's try to change something. Let's see. Okay, it does try to boot something from disk. Let's try something else. The message does change, so it does reach something from the disk, but not enough. Let's try and change this to this one. In goes a cleaning disk. How much patience do I need to have? Come on, do something for me. Well, it beeps. Somebody else has to fix this machine because I cannot get any further. Oh, right, we came to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I like making these videos a lot, but I told you many times, and I hope to tell you many more if you subscribe to this channel You can see me around every 2 weeks and see what came in the mail. I hope to see all of you next time. Bye bye.
Please. Yes, so you will be this armless, legless, faceless thing, won't you? Rolling down the street like a turd in the wind. Do you feel me? What the hell are you? We are Venom. On second thought. Please.
Eddie? What was that?
Oh, I have a parasite. Yeah. Name is Chen.
Parasite?
Yeah, it's a term of endearment, that's all.
Apologize!
No.
Apologize!
Alright, fine. I'm sorry. So, what do you want to do now?
The way I see it, we can do whatever we want.